come watch with me to unbox the Hexenheim and Uehouse Gochizo set. Where you guys heard about Camera Guy, the movie? So I watched it really well, but it's really awesome and insane. And I love Camera Guy extra fun form. Let's take a look. Hexenheim Gochizo. It's like a bigger as King Gochizo. I really love these. And let's press it. Oh wow. At least they have different Gochizos at the different camera guide. And there's a talking button on Gochizo. And next, Uehouse Gochizo. It's like a K-King Gochizo. It have different assists of Gochizos. And we'll press it. Oh nice. And there was the candy was opening the Gochizo. And what close it. And they have talking Gochizo too. And let's press the button. The Gochizo is really cute and press the button 2 times. They have press the button 2 times back in Guive Haitian belt. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's Haitian. I really love this Gochizo. It's really unique. And I hope I watch Camera Guy episode. It's really fun. Before I put the Gochizos up and box, I forgot to press the button. And now, I'll put box in the box collection. And I'll put 2 Gochizos in the bookshelf. If you want to see the part 2, put a comment. Thanks for watching and your next mission.